Hi, I'm Greg Murray. Please allow me to introduce you to the amazing world of radio broadcasting. Radio is one of the most entertaining mediums of all time. You can do almost anything while you listen to radio without radio taking over your full attention. Radio entertains as it informs with music, time checks, weather information, sports scores, current news stories, stock reports, entertainment reports, and so much more. All this as you continue to do what you do. Radio broadcasting has been around since the 1930s. It is my belief that radio will be around for decades to come. Radio today has so many forms of presentation. There's AM, FM, HD, satellite radio, internet radio, cable radio, live radio, pre-recorded radio, and so many other forms that are being invented every day. That is why I think radio is here to stay. Radio as we have known it will take on some changes, but radio as a whole will never go away. Terrestrial radio stations with a transmitter, in most cases will only play a specific format, while internet radio stations offer different formats at the click of a button. Again, more reasons to believe that radio as we have known it will take on some changes, but radio as a whole may never go away. Comparably, let's look at how television has changed since its invention. When television was first introduced, the image was black and white. Some screens were oddly shaped, some came as a single unit with a single function, while other units came with television, radio, record player, and many other functions. This unit was known as a console. The broadcast signal came through the air with only about 3 or 4 channels to choose from at very high frequency, VHF. Then, color TV was introduced. Later, ultra high frequency, UHF came about with more channels to choose from. Then came cable TV, satellite TV, internet TV, and so on. Stereo for television was introduced in 1984. Television has taken on changes, as radio has taken on changes. It has been said by some techies that TV is in line for a new format known as hologram TV. With this format, the image will not only be in 3-dimensional, but with the use of laser lights, it will appear that the characters will be right there in the room with you. Technology is amazing. Technology will only grow in its amazement. Just as amazing technology will grow radio.